If you've been searching for a small European country with very high salaries, a place where English speakers still stand a chance, and where job applications can be done directly, without agents, without fees, then this video is important for you. Because today, I'm breaking down a country most people overlook, yet employers are quietly hiring international workers across healthcare, logistics, hospitality, IT, construction, and manufacturing. No middlemen, no DME scams, just official job platforms where you can apply yourself. Watch to the end because I'll also explain exactly how the work visa process works after you get an offer. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. If you are new, you're very much welcome. My name is Pete, and on this channel I share everything relocation that will help you live, study and work abroad. So feel free to like this video, subscribe, comment and share to anyone that might find it useful. Without further ado, let's talk reality. This country is small, yes, but it consistently ranks among the richest nations in Europe. It has high wages, a strong economy, one of the lowest unemployment rates in the region, and a heavy presence of international companies. That last point matters because it means English is widely used at work, especially in multinational environments. Right now, employers here are experiencing real labor shortages, especially in healthcare and care roles, warehousing and logistics, hospitality and cleaning, construction and skilled trades, IT and office support roles. This is why non-EU workers are being considered, especially when the employer cannot fill roles locally. And there's another advantage people don't talk about enough. Once you are legally working here, you are positioned right in the heart of Europe with easy access to the Schengen zone. But let's get practical. I'm not giving you agents. I'm not giving you WhatsApp numbers. I'm giving you official job platforms used by real employers. Platform number 1, the EU job mobility portals. This is the official European Union job platform. Employers across Europe post vacancies here, including employers in this country. Why this matters? Because it's government backed, employers are verified, you apply directly, no fees. Even if a job doesn't clearly say visa sponsorship, you can still apply and politely ask HR if international candidates are considered. I'll give you a pro tip. Build a Europass CV on the platform. Is the standard CV format accepted across Europe and instantly increases credibility. Okay, if you don't know how to create a Europass CV, Google is your friend. Make a research on how to create a Europass CV. But if you want me to create it for you, then become a Peace Elevator channel member. I'll hold your hand and create it for you. Okay. Now, the other platform is local national job boards. Every country in Europe has its own local job portals where employers post roles before using recruiters. This platform often include warehouse jobs, cleaning and hospitality roles, office support, technical and skilled positions. Create an account, upload your CV, and keep your profile public so employers can contact you directly. Platform 3, international recruitment firms with local offices. Some global recruitment companies operate offices in this country and regularly recruit international talent, especially in accounting and finance, IT and tech support, biz admin, and healthcare support roles. These firms already understand relocation processes, and some employers they work with provide visa support when the right candidate is found. You can apply online, email the local office, or contact them through the official website. I'll be providing all of these links in my description. Okay. Platform 4, large staffing agencies. This is very entry level friendly. Okay. Big staffing agencies are often overlooked, but they are powerful. They frequently recruit for warehouses, manufacturing, hospitality, cleaning, general labor roles. Okay. When applying, always tick willing to relocate. Mention that you are open to work permit sponsorship and upload a Europass CV. This agency work directly with employers who already have permission to hire internationally. Okay. Platform 5, national employment and informational portals. There are also official national portals that publish job listing, work permit guidance, labor market updates, immigration requirements. These platforms are excellent for understanding which jobs are in shortage, seeing real employer demand, avoiding scams completely. Let's make this very practical, step by step, okay? Step 1, fix your CV. Use a Europass CV. Include your passport nationality, work experience, languages, and clearly state that you are available for relocation. Step 2, create accounts. Register on at least 2 to 3 official platforms I have listed here. Upload your CV. Write a short professional cover letter. Step 3, apply strategically. Apply for roles that match your experience. Apply for roles that are known to be short staff. Even if sponsorship isn't mentioned, apply anywhere, okay? Step 4, follow up. If you hear nothing after 7 to 14 days, send a short, polite follow-up. Recruiters notice seriousness, okay? Because you'll be applying to multiple jobs, multiple platforms. Step 5, prepare for online interviews. Most interviews are via Zoom or Microsoft Teams, okay? Be ready to explain your experience, why you're willing to relocate, your flexibility with shifts, okay? So then after, what happens after a job offer? Once you receive an offer, this is how the legal process works. Step 1, employer authorization. Your employer applies for your temporary work authorization. Step 2, visa application. You apply for a long stay type D work visa at the nearest embassy or consulate. Documents usually include job contract, passport, health insurance, accommodation details. Sometimes employer will support you with this, okay? 3, arrival and residence permit. After arrival, you apply for a residence card within the required time frame. At this point, you are legally working and living in Europe. 4, family reunification. After meeting income and residence condition, you may apply to bring your family. Common mistakes to avoid. You have to avoid using one CV for every job, okay? Don't pay agent. You don't apply to unverified websites. Never following up. Ignoring language willingness. Even basic French or German helps, okay? Now, the final success is going to give you is that apply consistently. At least 5 roles weekly. Yes, 5 is not much if you are serious about relocating this year. Try and apply at least 5 roles in a week, and you at least you get to a stage that you have interview. Keep communication professional. Always mention willingness to relocate. Use official platforms only, okay? So the content I'm talking about today is Luxembourg, okay? But with the platforms I provide, you can use it to apply to any other European country of your choice, okay? If this video helped you, like it. Drop a comment telling me which shop you are applying for, and share this with someone who needs a real opportunities, not promises. Subscribe to Peace Travels and Jobs, because every week I break down verified relocation job opportunities you can actually apply for. Stay focused, stay consistent. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, Jesus loves you, and I love you too. Bye for now.